Should you or should you not keg your beer? Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on that. Hello everyone, Coach Chris here with WolfMoon Brewing, here again with Question of the Week. First off, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who's been watching my videos, sharing them out, commenting, and giving thumbs up on all the videos. I really do appreciate all the support, so please keep that coming. This week I'm going to be talking about kegging your beer. Should you or should you not keg your beer? Well, the ultimate decision is up to you, but let me give you some information that might help you make your decision. First off, you're going to need to get some more equipment. You're going to need to purchase the keg. You're going to need to get a CO2 tank, a regulator for the tank, some hoses, and a way to tap the beer. You're also going to need a place to store that keg and keep it cold. Now that could be an old refrigerator or a kegerator that you purchase or make yourself. So there is an initial outlay of cash. So those are a couple of the negatives involved with getting into kegging, is you need to have some space and you need to have some more equipment. Now on the positive side, it is much easier to clean and fill and close up a single keg as opposed to 45, 50, 55 bottles. So yes, it is a lot simpler to keg a beer than it is to bottle your beer. So Coach Chris, what do you do? Well, over the last couple of years, I've changed my batch size to be about 7.5 gallons so that I can get a full 5 gallons in my keg and then the remainder goes into bottles. That way I always have a few bottles to share with family and friends, and I also have the ability to send them out to competitions if I so desire. I absolutely enjoy having my beers in kegs and on tap, and I'm fairly certain you will too if you have the means to do so. But just because it's easier to do and it's enjoyable to have it on tap, don't just jump into kegging without making sure that you have the means to do so ahead of time. Ultimately, the decision whether to keg your beer or not is up to you. I hope I've given you a little bit more information and make that decision a little easier. If you have any comments or questions on this, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. While you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and while you're there, smash the thumbs up button for a like. Remember, home brewing is really fun, but so is drinking responsibly. I'm Coach Chris, and we'll see you next brew. So a phone call comes in and turns off my recording. So I get to do this all over again. Should you keg your beer? Should you keg... Wow, why can't I say that? The final decision is really up to you, but I'll give you some pieces of information that will help. So apparently, my job right now is to pay attention to said Senior Kitty. So ask Brewcat, should I keg my beer? Yes. Brewcat says you should keg your beer. He's still not letting me record. You are so spoiled.